Question 41. Qantas is an airline of A. Australia, B. Saudi Arabia, C. UAE, D. Malaysia. Correct answer is option A. Australia. Question 42. Emirates is an airline of A. Malaysia, B. UAE, C. Saudi Arabia, D. Qatar. Correct answer is option B. UAE. Question 43. AFP is the news agency of A. Yemen, B. France, C. Germany, D. Syria. Correct answer is option B. France. Question 44. The capital of Czech Republic is A. Nicosia, B. Bern, C. Prague, D. Dublin. Correct answer is option C. Prague. Question 45. Vienna is the capital of A. Cyprus, B. Austria, C. Denmark, D. Switzerland. Correct answer is option B. Austria. Question 46. Which country is called the Land of Thousand Lakes? A. Finland, B. Iceland, C. Indonesia, D. Scotland. Correct answer is option A. Finland. Question 47. Which country is called the Land of Golden Fiber? A. Bangladesh, B. United States, C. South Korea, D. India. Correct answer is option A. Bangladesh. Question 48. Indonesia is an archipelago comprising approximately islands. A. 12,500, B. 15,000, C. 10,000, D. 17,500. Correct answer is option D. 17,500. Question 49. Which country is called Land of Thousand Islands? A. Indonesia, B. Finland, C. Ireland, D. Malaysia. Correct answer is option A. Indonesia. Question 50. World's famous bridge, Golden Gate, is in A. New Delhi, B. Sydney, C. France, D. San Francisco. Correct answer is option D. San Francisco. Question 51. Etihad Airways is an airline of A. Canada, B. Qatar, C. United Arab Emirates, D. Russia. Correct answer is option C. United Arab Emirates. Question 52. KLM is an airline of A. Germany, B. Australia, C. Netherlands, D. Austria. Correct answer is option C. Netherlands. Question 53. Sabah is the news agency of A. Jordan, B. Syria, C. Indonesia, D. Yemen. Correct answer is option D. Yemen. Question 54. Sana is the news agency of A. Saudi Arabia, B. UAE, C. Syria, D. Yemen. Correct answer is option C. Syria. Question 55. The Nobel Peace Prize 2012 in the field of peace was awarded to A. European Union (EU), B. North Atlantic Treaty Organization (NATO), C. Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons (OPCW), D. United Nations Security Council. Correct answer is option A. European Union (EU). Question 56. The Nobel Prize has been awarded in fields A7, B8, C6, D5. Correct answer is option C6. Question 57. The first Nobel Prize was awarded in A. 1913, B. 1901, C. 1907, D. 1895. Correct answer is option B. 1901. Question 58. What was the nationality of Alfred Nobel? A. American, B. German, C. British, D. Swedish. Correct answer is option D. Swedish. Question 59. The world's longest bridge over water, Lake Pontchartrain Causeway, is in A. United States, B. Canada, C. Russia, D. China. Correct answer is option A. United States. Question 60. The world's longest bridge, Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge, is in A. Canada, B. United States, C. China, D. Russia. Correct answer is option C. China. Question 61. The Earth's smallest ocean is A. Pacific, B. Indian, C. Arctic, D. Atlantic. Correct answer is option C. Arctic. Question 62. The Earth's second largest ocean is A. Pacific, B. Arctic, C. Atlantic, D. Indian. Correct answer is option C. Atlantic. Question 63. The Earth's largest ocean is A. Indian, B. Arctic, C. Atlantic, D. Pacific. Correct answer is option D. Pacific. Question 64. The largest planet of the solar system is A. Mars, B. Saturn, C. Earth, D. Jupiter. Correct answer is option D. Jupiter. Question 65. Taka is the currency of A. Bangladesh, B. Nepal, C. Indonesia, D. Bhutan. Correct answer is option A. Bangladesh. Question 66. The Earth's oceanic water is divided in oceans A. 6, B. 8, C. 7, D. 5. Correct answer is option D. 5. Question 67. The smallest continent by area of the world is A. Europe, B. Antarctica, C. Africa, D. Australia. Correct answer is option D. Australia. Question 68. The second largest continent by area of the world is A. North America, B. Africa, C. Asia, D. Europe. Correct answer is option B. Africa. Question 69. The largest continent by area of the world is A. Africa, B. Europe, C. North America, D. Asia. Correct answer is option D. Asia. Question 70. The Earth's surface is divided in continents A. 6 continents, B. 8 continents, C. 7 continents, D. 5 continents. Correct answer is option C. 7 continents. Question 71. What was the name of atomic bomb that dropped on the city of Hiroshima? A. Fat boy, B. Little man, C. Fat man, D. Little boy. Correct answer is option D. Little boy. Question 72. The atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Hiroshima on A. the 3rd of August 1945, B. the 9th of August 1945, C. the 12th of August 1945, D. the 6th of August 1945. Correct answer is option D. the 6th of August 1945. Question 73. The world's deadliest conflict was A. Mongol conquests, B. Taiping Rebellion, C. World War I, D. World War II. Correct answer is option D. World War II. Question 74. World War II was ended in A. 1941, B. 1939, C. 1945, D. 1943. Correct answer is option C. 1945. Question 75. World War II was began in A. 1941, B. 1939, C. 1937, D. 1935. Correct answer is option B. 1939. Question 76. World War I was began in A. 1916, B. 1918, C. 1914, D. 1912. Correct answer is option C. 1914. Question 77. World War I was ended in A. 1918, B. 1912, C. 1914, D. 1916. Correct answer is option A. 1918. Question 78. The first Secretary General of United Nations was A. Kurt Waldheim, B. Dag Hammarskjöld, C. U Thant, D. Trygve Lie. Correct answer is option D. Trygve Lie. Question 79. The hottest desert of the world is A. Sahara Desert, B. Arctic Desert, C. Cholistan Desert, D. Arabian Desert. Correct answer is option A. Sahara Desert. Question 80. The world's largest lake is A. Lake Victoria, B. Great Bear Lake, C. Caspian Sea, D. Lake Superior. Correct answer is option C. Caspian Sea. Thanks for watching. For more relatable videos, like and subscribe.